Wow, look at that quality. I guess they couldn't use 2 screws, at least they used 1. But, look at that fuse. I'm assuming it's got a bad ground because that's a 150 amp fuse running a JL-Audio 1000/1 and a 300/4. Let's see what kind of other mess we got in the back. Let's see. Crimped, not soldered. Walmart speaker adapter. I don't even know where you could buy particle wood. Where do they even sell that? Speed wire to the Hertz components. Not getting any wattage through there. Poor cable management, or lack thereof. Wonder what else we're gonna find.